Pre-Kindy Little Learning Stores A, Unit 2, Lesson 1. Letter D. Letter D. Big letter D. Big letter D. Small letter D. Small letter D. D. Doll. Doll. D. Doll. D. Doll. Dog. Dog. D. Dog. D. Dog. Letter E. Letter E. Big letter E. Big letter E. Small letter E. Small letter E. 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 E is for elephant. E is for elephant. 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 E is for egg. E is for egg. 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 Good job. Goodbye.